All right, here we are. I just finished the honey supers. Things look good in there. Top is 60 to 70% full. Bottom, plenty of space. So roosters are a little roostering. And we'll take a peek in the brood chamber here. So last week, they were ready to rock and roll. Get out of here, Daddy Longleg. So let's see what they're up to this week. And like I said, the goldenrod is just starting to flower. So, okay, girls, let's go nice and easy. Let me get that one frame out of there before we all start walking up the walls. There we go. All right, so like I said, August 19th. Goldenrod seems a little early. Oh my, look at you. Look at you go. Outer frame. Looks like we had a queen. We've got some up top here. Super Siegers, ladies. There's my queen right there. Wow, she's on the outer frame. I can't see. Sun, where'd she go, first of all? She does this to me every time. There she is. Faded green dot. All right, not gonna hang a queen here, so bear with me. So we have her on the bottom, of course. And let's slide this one over. So I know where she is. And come on, girls, let me get in there. So she's still using the outside frame, which is amazing. That's full of brood. So I'm very curious to see, just want to find her one more time here. Very curious to see what we're looking at. Maybe she is anticipating the goldenrod already. All right, you are on the side. I just want to find you so I know where you are. That's all. That's all. Where did you go? You're hiding on the bottom somewhere? There you are, right there. She's running on the bottom. So I just want to make sure I'm not going to catch her on the corner. All right, you're in. There we go. All right, so that's frame one. This is frame two. I mean, that's two good, solid frames of brood. Look at that. All right, we got just a cup in the bottom. I have only have one hive that is it's making cups, and they were Super Sieger, so I don't expect much. It's been very quiet. I think the drought had a lot to do with it, but it's come on. So she's got a lot of brood. Oh wow, yeah, that's another heavy brood frame. Maybe I am going to be adding another box. Okay, we got a cup on the bottom. Just a cup. Just a cup. It's hot, ladies. So yeah, maybe I will be adding another box. That's 3 good frames of brood. Wow. Yeah, she's going to explode. All right, we're going to switch it to the old switcheroo here. Come on. There it is. All right. Let's see here. Move it on. This is one of the frames that was brand new this year from the splits. All right, I'm not seeing anything I need to worry about. Things look really good. And that's all eggs. So she's already laid right through that one. Come on. There you go. All right, guys, come on, let me in. It's pretty good numbers. You're seeing what I'm seeing. Things are looking good. Maybe they are. They're ready to take off. They were ready a couple weeks ago when I didn't think they should be. So, just hope the goldenrod flow is there. We only had a really 1 day of rain. That one needs some work. So yeah, that's it. We're looking very good. Come on, girls. Oh yeah, look at that. So those two are kind of, one is loaded with eggs, one needs work, but there's another sheet of brood. And I'm not seeing anything I need to worry about. All right, looks good. Yeah. Let me get in there, ladies. Come on, a couple more here, close it up. So maybe next week I might want to think about bringing some extra honey supers, just in case the flow is there. We'll see though. If they fill that top box up solid, I'll be adding something. So that's another frame of eggs. Emerged brood emerging on the outer edge. She's come back in, filled the center. So, but pretty uneventful. I like it. I really do. Come on. And the fact that, I mean, some of my hives aren't even using the outer edge. They're already putting nectar there. So the fact that she's all the way to the outside still. Pretty impressive little ladies. Pretty impressive. All right, more emerging brood. Nothing. Oh, what do we got here? Just a cup, ladies. So yeah, so once again, this is pretty uneventful. I'm not seeing anything. Very little of the drone brood though, you'll see. Just a few here and there. I only have a couple hives that really are still cranking out the drones, but we'll see in a couple weeks. They'll be kicking them out. Party's over. So that'll be interesting to see. But this is it. These girls are doing good. Two more here. So there's emerging brood, and I don't see anything else in it. Some pollen. That's emerging brood. Sorry about the helicopter noise. But yeah, so she's got to come back down, and she's got room down this end. So right now she's stuffing the far end. All right, come on, you guys are all right up against the wall here. Just look at that last one. We'll see. Get out of here. Get. Yeah, I'm excited. This looks good. I just hope that we actually do have a fall flow. All right, so that's my pollen frame. Nothing to see here. Pollen. Whoa. You girls aren't happy with that one. So that's it. Gotta be careful, my girl's on the other end there. So that's it. Numbers look great. Things are looking good. Hope everybody's bees are doing the same. Thank you for watching.